My name is Onkwe Elias Obuna, a participant of MMM Nigeria. I'm here again to testify primarily for those who are still doubting MMM. It is helping people and it is very real. I provided help of 997,000 naira on the 14th of May. Then on the 16th of June, I requested for help, and I was gladly rewarded with my referral bonuses, a total of 2.2 million. To be precise, 2,253,000 naira. I sincerely want to appreciate the founder of this financial movement, Sage Mafrodi, and the entire members of MMM. Please, my dear people, join the Emancipation Program, MMM. Change your life for good. Bye and see you soon. MMM is real and is working. There's joy.